How to share your Wi-Fi from your Android to your iPhone using a QR code. This tutorial shows you how to generate a Wi-Fi QR code on your Android and connect your iPhone instantly. First, open your Android settings and tap on Connections. After that, tap on Wi-Fi. From there, tap on the network you are currently connected to. At this point, tap on QR code to generate a QR code for your Wi-Fi network. In the next step, on your iPhone, open the camera app and point it at the QR code on your Android screen. Following this, a prompt will appear on your iPhone asking you to join the network and tap on it to connect. Finally, once connected, your iPhone will now be on the same Wi-Fi network without needing to type in any password. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you share your Wi-Fi using a QR code, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.